watching Nama channel.
Hi students, good morning to everyone. So today we are to continue the same chapter polynomials. Today we see about the remainder theorem, proof and some examples. Say example number 8. Find the remainder obtained by dividing p of x equal to x cube plus 1. Here two terms is there by x plus 1. So binomial can be divisible by binomial. So in solution I have to, by using long division method, I have to find out the remainder by long division method. So I have to take the first one as p of x equal to x cube plus 1. You see this x cube plus 1, so x power 3 is there, but x power 2 and x power 1 are missing. Because of that, x power 3 plus 0x square plus 0x plus 1. In q of x, g of x, I take x plus 1. And normally, long division method, I have to find out the remainder now. X cube plus 0x square plus 0x plus 1. X plus 1. The first step, always we have to compare. Already in the previous class I informed about how to divide the long division method, p of x and g of x. You have to compare the first term of p of x and first term of g of x. So x cube divided by x, here the power 1. By using exponential power, already you learned in 8th standard, in division condition you have to subtract 1 power in numerator, so remaining 2, so you get x square. This x square can be multiple with x plus 1, so x into x square, that means x power 1 into x power 2. The same exponent power, base are same, you have to add the power. So because of that, x into x square, you get x cube. 1 into x square plus x square. The second condition, you have to change the symbol. Plus 1 become minus, plus 1 become minus. So now you compare plus x cube minus x cube will get cancelled. So here 0x square and then minus x square. That means 0 plus 0 minus 1. Because of that, minus x square. So I take this term plus 0x. Again repeated the condition of compare with the first term and first term. Minus x square divided by x. You have to cancel it, reduce 1 power, minus x. Here minus x can be multiple with x plus 1. So plus into minus, minus. X into x, x square. 1 into plus into minus, minus. 1 into x, x. Again repeated the condition, change the symbol. Minus become plus, minus become plus. Minus x square plus x square will get cancelled. So plus 0 plus x, we get plus x. I take the last term plus 1, and here I compare the same first term, x divided by x, it will cancel, we get 1. So now we multiple with plus 1. So you have to multiple 1 with anything, you get same. So 1 into x plus 1, you get x plus 1. Now you change the symbol, minus, minus, here plus x, minus x, plus 1, minus 1. All the term have same variable and constant with a different symbol. The total, all the expression will get 0. Now you see, this is quotient and this one is remainder. So quotient q of x, which is equal to x square minus x plus 1. And then remainder r of x, which is equal to 0. So what the question is this? Find the remainder obtained by dividing p of x, x cube plus 1 by x plus 1. So here we have to find out the quotient and remainder. Okay, now we see the proof of remainder theorem. Let p of x be any polynomial of degree greater than or equal to 1, and let be any real number if p of x is divided by linear polynomial x minus a, then the remainder is p of a. So we have to prove that we have to divide the linear polynomial x minus a, the remainder is P of A. Now we move on to the proof. So the given, let P of X be any polynomial. Let P of X be any polynomial of degree greater than or equal to 1. Suppose P of X is divided by X minus A, we get the quotient is Q of X and the remainder is R of X. So Q of X and R of X is the quotient and remainder, which implies that P of X, which is equal to X minus A into Q of X plus R of X. Since the degree of X minus A is 1, because this is the linear polynomial. So since the degree of X minus A is 1, always degree of R of X is less than degree of G of X. That means degree R of X is less than X minus A. Therefore, the degree of R of X equal to 0. This means R of X is a constant. R of X is a constant, say R, which implies P of X, which is equal to X minus A Q of X plus R. If X minus A is factor of P of X, X minus A equal to 0, X equal to A. So which implies P of A equal to A minus A into Q of X plus R. This is quotient, we no need to substitute instead of X. So this is the value, A minus A. So P of A, which is equal to 0 into Q of X plus R. So P of A equal to 0 plus R. P of A equal to R. So which proves the theorem. So what is the theorem? Finally we get the remainder is P of A. So P of A, which is equal to remainder R. On the basis we have to move on to the examples. Next we move on to example number 9. Okay student, now we see example number 9. Find the remainder when x power 4 plus x cube minus 2x square plus 1 is divided by x minus 1. By using remainder theorem, we have to find out the remainder. Solution by using remainder theorem. By using remainder theorem. What is remainder theorem? That is P of X, which is equal to G of X into Q of X plus R of X. Here finally we get P of any constant a which is equal to r. So this is the concept of remainder theorem. So we have to use this one. We find out the remainder for x power 4 plus x cube minus 2x square plus x plus 1 is divided by x minus 1. So p of x equal to x power 4 plus x cube minus 2x square plus x plus 1. Here x minus 1 is factor of p of x, which implies that x minus 1 equal to 0, x equal to 1. So which implies p of 1 equal to, so instead of x I will put 1. So 1 power 4 plus 1 cube minus 2 into 1 the whole square plus 1 plus 1. Here 1 plus 1 minus 2 into 1 plus 1 plus 1. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4, 2 into 1 minus 2. So p of 1 which is equal to 2. So already I tell the p of a which is equal to r. So 2 is the remainder when we have to divide x power 4 plus x cube minus 2x square plus 1 is divided by x minus 1. We get the remainder is 2. Therefore r of x which is equal to 2. Next we move on to example number 10. Now we see example number 10. Check whether the polynomial q of t which is equal to 4t cube plus 4t square minus t minus 1 is a multiple of 2t plus 1. So we know that the given condition is in a solution q of t is multiple of 2t plus 1. So q of t is multiple of 2t plus 1, which implies we divide (4t cube plus 4t square minus t minus 1 by 2t plus 1. We divide 4t cube plus 4t square minus t minus 1 by 2t plus 1. Surely remainder is 0. Surely remainder is 0, which implies 2t plus 1 which is equal to 0, 2t equal to minus 1. So t equal to minus 1 by 2. T equal to minus 1 by 2. This is zeros of polynomial q of t is the zeros of polynomial q of t. So q of minus 1 by 2 which is equal to 4 minus 1 by 2 power 3 plus 4 minus 1 by 2 whole square minus of minus 1 by 2 minus 1. So now this minus 1 by 2 power 3 can be written in the form minus 1 by 2 into minus 1 by 2 into minus 1 by 2. Minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus. So 4 into minus 1 divided by 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Minus 1 by 8 plus, here we take only 2 times. Minus into minus plus 1. 2 2s are 4. So 4 into 1 by 4. Minus into minus plus 1 by 2 minus 1. So 1 4 is 4. 2 4s are 8. Here 4 4 will get cancelled. The final value is minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. And then here plus 1 minus 1. Minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 will get cancelled. Plus 1 minus 1 will get cancelled. So q of minus 1 by 2 which is equal to 0. So therefore 2t plus 1 is multiple of q of t which is equal to 4t cube plus 4t square minus t minus 1. Okay, next we have to move on to the exercise sums.